What's up, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Mr. Bad Boy here. I'm back again another day for reaction. So if you're the first time you see this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and join Mr. Bad Boy for reaction. Okay, so you are welcome. So today we're gonna react to somebody in the comment told me to react to this video. The title it's in Russian, so I have to translate. So I do speak Russian. I have to translate it every time. So it says here Leningrad, how much the bells ring. So I think this is some kind of song music video, so we're gonna react to it. I hope you like it, guys. So let's start. All right.
Раз, два, три, бом, 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 бом,
Okay.
бом, бом, бом. Аса! Вчера приснился сон прекрасный, Москва сгорела целиком, пожар на площади на Красной, и тлеет бывший избирком. Никто не выжил, все сгорели, все Путин и Собчак, и у стены Кремлевской ели горели охуенно так. Москва, по ком звонят твои колокола? Москва, почём звонят твои колокола?
Talking about Moscow. His voice is so scared.
Медведь сгорел, Медведев и Навальный, и будущий бывший мэр. Лужков приехал как специально.
So this is, he talks about the government and Moscow.
ОМОН сгорелся и менты, а с неба дождик шел кислотный, еще для большей красоты. Москва, по ком звонят твои колокола? Москва, почем звонят твои колокола? Москва, по ком звонят твои колокола? Москва, почем звонят твои колокола?
How much costs to make your bills ring? I like that they are singing in the street with the sun, beautiful sun.
А утонуть бы не смогло. Горели замки, что на Истре, горели медленно на зло. Экран спасителей и бани, гачи сгорели москвичи, а дома ждали россияне. Когда остыл...
So he talks about Russia, about Moscow, about the government.
Москва, по ком звонят твои колокола? Москва, почем звонят твои колокола?
His voice is so, man, it's so
Москва,
deep.
по ком звонят твои колокола? Москва, почем звонят твои колокола? Бом, 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 бом. Bom, bom, bom. Bom, 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 bom. Bom, bom,
Yeah, so this is the this is the end of the song. So this is some kind of politic music and talking about Russia and Moscow and how politics are bad or something. This is what I understand from the video, because I was all the time watching the subtitles and the translation. So yeah, it was a cool song, man. So scary voice he has, and I love that they are singing in the middle of the street. Maybe it's in Moscow, yeah. So yeah, it's cool, very cool song. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like my reaction to this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you want me to do more videos for yourself, leave a link to your favorite video in the comments, so I will make sure to choose the video and react to it. So thank you so much for watching.